What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So I've been receiving a lot of questions asking me how do I do my hairstyle and where's my haircut. So in today's video, I'm gonna do some simple tutorial on my hairstyle and also to tell you what you should tell a barber if you want to have the same haircut as mine. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, what you gotta do is to get yourself a right haircut for this hairstyle. If you notice that this is actually a layer haircut with 3 different lengths from the side to the top, and I have my haircut for a few weeks ago, so you can actually see it right now because it has grown longer. So what you need to tell the barber when you enter into the salon is to request a slope for the side. You would like to request them to shave your side and create a slope for the side from here to here. But make sure you keep the side of your hair a bit dense so that it won't create a weird contrast with the top part of your hair. And for the upper part, you can just request them to cut short. The reason why you shouldn't shave higher than this is because the upper part helps to create a volume to your hair when the top part of your hair is overlapping it. And this is what we call undercut. That's it for the haircut. Next, the hairstyle. I used to call this hairstyle as the natural slack back hairstyle. So for the hairstyle part, I will show you after washing my hair because you can't do the hairstyle without getting the hair wet. So let's go ahead and wet the hair. Right now I've washed my hair, and once your hair is wet, you just need to towel dry it. While waiting for the hair to dry, what you gotta do is to find your own natural parting line. So by doing this, you can actually find your natural parting line which you think is better for your hair. So after you get your own hair parting line, you just need to use the hairdryer to blow in the direction of your hair parting line. So after it is dry, you just need to get a small amount of hair wax and rub it evenly on your hand. Some people might want to know what hair product am I using. So I have tried a lot of hair product, but for this hairstyle I would recommend to use this, which is one of the best hair product. I really like using this because it really helps to hold my hair naturally and it's easy to use for doing hairstyle like this. It's actually one of the best product and also easy to wash out. After you have rubbed it evenly on your hand, you just need to run through it with your fingers. Then go to the side, then proceed to the back part. For the back part, you just got to push upward to create a volume for the back. If you think it is not enough to hold your hair, you might just want to tag a little more depending on how long your hair is. And that's about it. That's basically my hairstyle tutorial, and thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully it really helps you, as I know many of you has been asking me a lot lately about my hairstyle. Just leave a comment below if you have any question regarding to my hairstyle or my haircut. I will try my best to respond to your questions. Also, if you want to see any other video, you could just comment down below. I hope you guys take care and have a great week. I will see you in the next video. Bye.